Have you ever wondered how much solar panels cost per kilowatt hour? It's a question that's been on many minds as solar energy grows in popularity. This clean, renewable energy source is making waves, especially among homeowners, and for good reason. It's environmentally friendly, potentially cost-effective, and a step towards energy independence. But understanding what you're paying for can be a bit complex. So, let's pull back the curtain on the cost of solar energy. Let's break down these costs and see what we are really paying for. When we talk about solar energy costs, we need to consider a few key components. First and foremost, there's the initial cost of the solar panels. This is usually the biggest chunk of the expense, as it includes the purchase of the panels themselves. Then we have the cost of installation. This can vary depending on the complexity of your roof, the size of your solar system, and even where you live. It's not just about plonking the panels on your roof. There's a lot of intricate electrical work involved. Last but not least, there's the cost of maintenance. Solar panels are pretty durable, but they're not invincible. Over time, you may need to replace parts or repair damage caused by weather or wear and tear. So as you can see, the cost per kWh is not just about the panels themselves, but also about the installation and maintenance. Now that we've broken down the costs, let's put it all together. The initial cost of solar energy can seem steep, but consider it as an investment. Over time, the savings on your energy bills can outweigh the upfront costs. More than that, it's a sustainable solution, reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier planet. In the end, the cost per kilowatt hour of solar energy is an investment in a greener, more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. Click the link in the description to learn more.